Market Photo Workshop was started as a school of photography.
The school was originally formed by David Goldblatt to teach photography by photographers.
The initial idea was to make photography training accessible for young black people, because at the time, which was 1989, black people were not allowed to study photography formally at universities across the country.
Over the years, it has definitely shifted, and there's a very new type of person that comes here. People fondly say born free.
We get students from across the African continent. We've had students from Europe, from the US, South America, as well as New Zealand, surprisingly.
I've had the privilege of training a few international students that have been here. We had learners come from France because we offered analog, and there aren't many other institutions that do.
The Market Photo Workshop is very diverse when it comes to cultures. We accept everyone for who they are.
All of our facilitators are industry professionals. Facilitating isn't necessarily all they do. So they are advising our learners as they're experiencing the industry.
Some of my facilitators are the people I was observing their work at Instagram and stuff, and so I get to meet them in person, so that was very, very touching.
We want young people to explore the whole chain, the whole value chain within photographic practice, from taking images all the way to curation and showing and printing.
My favorite class here, I have two actually. I'd say studio, my studio fashion, and then Photoshop. Our software class is also very helpful.
I'm most passionate about visual narrative because that's where they teach us how to use images as a language, how to use images to speak about something.
What class do I like? It's professional practice, because that's where you get to learn like how to open a business, how to manage your business, like how to maneuver through the industry.
If you look at the spaces around the Market Photo Workshop, and including this building itself, there is a long history of artistic inspiration and activities.
What I love about being here in Joburg, centered here, is that we get access to other exhibitions happening, and we meet a lot of creatives too, because a lot of things happen around the space.
We are at the center of the city, Nyana, because we have a mall next to us, we have a park, we have a market theater as well.
We have alumni who are working as curators, who are working as post-production specialists, who are working as master printers.
2023, I started doing a project with Alet named after Mandela. It was a very beautiful thing to exhibit at the Nelson Mandela Foundation, and getting to interact with a different audience, different people with a different perspective on how to see things. So for me, it was like something I would put on my portfolio.
Since I've left the Market Photo Workshop, I've been up to a couple of things. One being an artist residency at the August House, and the other being a junior facilitator at the Market Photo Workshop.
From the Market Photo Workshop, I got to do my internship with Bakoni Pics. So I've done a lot, because I've gotten to shoot with Vodacom South Africa, Pepsi South Africa, Disney Channel.
The Market Photo Workshop runs 4 courses. The foundation course is the course for people who have absolutely no knowledge of photography. The focus of that course is really technical skills, so teaching you how to use a camera, how to do basic post-production, but also then basic visual literacy. In the second level of training, which is the intermediate course, our students start being introduced to different modes of photography. For instance, if they're doing studio photography, if they're doing portraiture, brochure images. In the third level of training, we have 2 streams. One being the photojournalism and documentary photography program. And then the second training program is the advanced program in photography. Essentially the type of photography that is more experimental, but still visual narratives. And on the other hand, more commercial photography as well.
I would recommend the Market Photo Workshop because it is a very practical space to learn in. We don't take books and learn about taking photographs, but we are actually sent out there to learn what it is like to take photographs while doing it.
I would absolutely recommend Market Photo Workshop to anyone who's new in the photography industry. You learn how to monetize your photography. You learn how to, sell your work to other people overseas, internationally, because Market Photo Workshop is an international institution.
I would recommend the Market Photo Workshop because of its visual narrative program.
I would describe the Market Photo Workshop in one word as layered.
Awesome. Exquisite.
Innovative.
Exciting.
Unique and best.